Hello, this is Greg back again. Here's a video on how to install a sink drain. So basically this is a kitchen sink. Right here on the back end I'm putting a clean out. Right in here, in the back end here is where they're going to be the clean out in back of the wall. So you go to the outside, pull the plug, and you're able to service the drain. On all back end of piping or fixtures, you always want to put a clean out. So right here, what I got in here is a combination fitting. It's a combination of a Y right here and then an 1/8 bend. So an 1/8 bend will bring you straight up. And right here, as we came up right here, I came straight up, and I'm gonna put a Santee here, go up, put a 90. This one was installed a little bit undersized, and I'm just bringing it up to size and up to code. Nowadays, you always want to, if you're gonna put a kitchen sink or a laundry, you always want to go 2-inch. So 2-inch piping is where you want to go, and then here is 1.5 is for a vent. It's okay for one fixture, and that's about it. After that, you want to go 2-inch. So right here, I'm gonna put a T. Right here in this area, I'm gonna put a T here. Here's like the hot and cold piping. I'm gonna put a T here. Again, this is for a kitchen sink. So over here is where it's gonna be the cabinet. Kitchen sink. This is your corner. So as you come in from the, sorry to be over here, as you come in from the back door to the kitchen. Okay, so right here, here's the drain. So it's going over here. Basically, I got one of those fittings. Right here is what's called a combination fitting of a Y and an 1/8 bend. And you need this on all your drainage, anything that's draining. That has the radius in here, so you can service the drain with a snake. So if you use short turns, that's not good, and you're not gonna be able to service your drain. So that's why they have these long sweeps. There's a Y, and then the back end, you can either pick up something or you put a clean out on the back end. Right here we're picking up the sink, and then so I'm gonna put a 45 on that end and bring it straight. And then on the back end, we're gonna put a clean out. It's gonna be a T in the middle area here, and then there's gonna be a 90 to connect back. And I'll have a video of connecting it once I'm finished. Okay, and then we have another couple of drains here. Unfortunately, they're incorrect. So what we wanna do is over here, I gotta get the lighting situated. Wasn't intended for a video yet, but over here we'll do the next video on the incorrect things of what I found, and then the way to do it correctly and do it right. Okay, have fun, and I'll get back to you guys with another video. Thank you.